Hey YouTube, K's Garage here. Doing an update video on the Dart. I was gonna do a DIY video and show you guys pretty much how I did all this. Obviously, it's kind of pretty self-explanatory. Did a DIY like I've heard it called digital camo. I've heard it called Arctic camo. Just like kind of just depends on what you want to personally call it. Not completely finished with it, but this is what the outcome is. Took me about about 4 days, so 2 days after my last video I started on it, and now I'm kind of at this point and I'm not done. As you can see, some of the vinyl still not sticking very well, like right here. Need to peel that, cut it a little bit since this has been exposed, this one. As far as everything else goes, none of the vinyl's been peeling. So this is pretty much what you're looking at now. Definitely stands out. We've got a lot of compliments. So far there's only been a couple people that didn't really care for it that much, but like I said, I'd say about 80% of the people who have seen it are people who like it. So that's it. Some of it needs to be fixed. Obviously I'm not perfect. This is my first time ever vinyl wrapping my car, or anything for that matter. Well, I used to own Eclipse and I tried doing the fender with sticker bomb, but that didn't come out very well. So this is it. All I did pretty much was just cut out some random shapes. I mean, you can see that it's just all just random cuts. You can see kind of how the cuts aren't very even. Tried using scissors on some of it. Tried using X-Acto knife that came with it. The installation kit that this thing came with wasn't that good, so. But for the most part, it turned out pretty good. I did something a little unique and kind of like vinyl wrapped, and then went to the light, and then went back down. And it's all one piece. I just had to trim right there and right there. But as you can see, it comes down and arrows back down. And then I did that with a couple other pieces. And then I was working on this side. I still needed to get some more vinyl for the wing. And then some of these other spaces that are kind of blank I need to get fixed as well. So, but I mean, I like it. I mean, the Dart's not fast, but I want a cool looking car. So hopefully my next plan is to possibly single exit exhaust. I want to just kind of remove that muffler and then kind of just maybe just use that one. Not sure what I want to do, so I think the single exit would look good, but then I mean obviously it's still going to have that like out, so I'm not sure what I want to do. I've been thinking about kind of keeping both and just capping off that one like underneath. So, but I'm liking the look of it. The blue K's Garage, I'm changing that to white, and then the play button I'm changing to red. On the front it's red as well. I got that one cut out, but it was too big, so I have to get it recut. So this is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or anything of where I bought the wrap, I got it off, like it was like 50 square feet for $34 a roll, and it comes with an installation kit. Like I said, the kit's not the greatest, but it's pretty decent. So as far as those couple little pieces, everything else is holding up pretty well. I haven't washed it yet, so I'm going to do a video about that when I get a chance. Show you guys. So, hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Or even if you hate it, let me know. If you hate it, I love it. So, whatever. Love-hate situation. Love you guys though. Thanks for the support. I'm at about 430 subscribers right now, and About a month ago I was at 250, so I'm really happy about that. I'm sorry about any wind noise or anything, but you guys have a good day, and see you later.